Is all the way to the left. She's closest to the rock structure. She is quite the athlete. If we could get it remotely close to her, 9 out of 10 times she is going to catch it in her mouth. Her sister Shatuko is in the middle. God bless her heart, but she does not have an athletic bone in her body, so she would rather the meatball hit her in the face or somewhere around her body than to try to catch it. We are positive though, and that if we keep working with her, one day she will eventually catch the meatball. And then Kende, all the way to the right, he will catch it either in his mouth or he does like to catch it with his forearms as well. So besides the triangle, they'll get about 4 to 7 pounds of this each and every day, depending on the sex, age, and time of year. When it gets a little hotter like now, their appetites do tend to go down, so the amount of food they're getting per day is a little less than normal. And then they always get an extra. So you just saw Maureen and Ethan give them their extra. It kind of looked like it was a large bone with a little bit of meat on it. That would be correct. It is a knuckle bone. So their extras can include a knuckle bone, tailbone, ribs, chunk, chicken. We're always trying to switch it up because we don't want these guys to have to eat the exact same thing every day. And then the majority of the items that they get as an extra is going to have bones in it.
Keep Girl here, exploring Busch Gardens. Just watched feeding of the lions.
Go for a bone the size of my arm in about 30 seconds. Now these guys cannot, but that bone plays a crucial role in their dental care. So because they are primary animals, we have to have that barrier in between us and them. So giving them that bone does allow us to take care of their gums and teeth without having to actually get in there and do it ourselves. Now if you look to the left-hand side of the habitat, you're going to see that rock building. That is a 2-story building. The lower half is where we keep both of our lion prides as well as our hyena clan. So each one of these guys gets their own individual room. It's air conditioned, they have a play yard, and they get lots and lots of one-on-one opportunities with the trainers. So we do rotate these guys on and off each and every day. That way they get a little bit of private time and a little bit of public time. And then we can also shift them from hab to hab. So you'll see that they are on what we call our Jeeps habitat today. Tomorrow you might come to the park and notice that they are actually on the other side that we call our huts hab, where our hyenas are right now. So we like to kind of switch up the habitat. It changes up the environment. Also, they get all those smells that the hyenas had left the day before. So that's really enriching for them.
Part of what they gave
so because it is hot and humid out there and the house is air conditioned, it can be a little bit more difficult in the summertime trying to get these guys to want to shift out. So we're always looking for ways to encourage them to do so. We're never going to make them do it, but we want to encourage them to do it. So a lot of times we'll have different types of toys out here. We'll put different scents like coffee, taco seasoning, garlic salt, pepper. They love to roll in it. It is hysterical. You'll see a 410-pound male that looks like a beast turn into a puppy dog and start rolling around in this scent. So it's really fun to watch. So we put that out there a lot. We like to do different training sessions. We'll be up and active. A couple people had kind of mentioned that they were kind of laying down, resting. And then as soon as we walked up, their heads perked up, they were up, active, coming over to the windows. And that's because we spend a lot of time with them, whether they're in the house or out on the habitat. So they do know and recognize us, and they know when we come around, we're going to be doing something to make the day just a little bit better. A lot of times, too, we'll take their extra like they got today, which was that knuckle bone. You'll see them kind of gnawing away at that right now. And instead of just throwing it over to them, we'll actually put it in ice treats. We might take a little bit of blood from their other meat and some water and their extra and make a blood popsicle, so to say. So that way they come out, they get a refreshing treat, it cools them down, it gives them something to do, and then at the end of it, they get that treat. So it's very rewarding for them. Now we do feed them several times a day, always changing up, and the reason for that is these guys can get very comfortable in their habitat. By that I mean they can sleep up to 20 hours every single day. So if we were to feed them all at the same time every day, they would sleep until they knew it was feeding time, they would wake up, eat, and then go right back to sleep. So I know that wouldn't be very fun for you guys, it wouldn't be very fun for them, and it certainly wouldn't be very fun for us trainers either. Now, if you guys do still find yourself in the park at 3:30, right around the corner here, we do have our underwater viewing hippo exhibit, and we will be doing a feeding and training session with our hippo on habitat. So we would love to have you guys come and join us. Again, that's at 3:30. But if not, thanks for coming and joining us for the 11 o'clock Meet the Keeper talk, and you guys enjoy the rest of your day here at Busch Gardens.
He's like seriously getting into something there. Oh, he ain't number muscle.
He's
He's got a hold of something.
He got a hold of a bone or something.
They were feeding him earlier. The last thing they gave him had bone hooked to it.
That bone's what's left in the other ones.
Yeah, they're all chewed on one yet.
No, he's holding with his paws. Look at the mane on him, boy. He's so good. He just wants you to stick your mother. He needs you to stick your mother. Oh yeah, he got a big old bone, man.
He's slow. He can't hold you.
Yeah, right. He'll be on you like a kick on the head. Greased lightning. Look at
He's
him.
eating something.
Oh yeah. That's a pretty face. Too bad you don't turn this way. He's camera shy. He likes that bone. Pretty soon he's gonna figure out there's not much left on that bone. Oh, he's eating the gristle off of that. Oh, that was a piece of a cow. Where'd you go? See it?
He's pushing it. Pushing up against it.
See, he's in the back of this truck. Gives you a good view. He actually brought that piece of meat and bone up there. The females in the back there. One's there. One's behind the rock. Some birds came to get whatever they could find that was left over. See the other female on top, on the right of the rock. They're one of my favorite animals. Let's go explore some more.